what's the plan? What's the strategy in Indonesia? Because it's a solid and great market for you, but then again, it is getting quite crowded with the consolidation. How are you coping with that, and how are you positioning there?
Yeah, no, thanks for the question. Actually, that's the reason why we announced this acquisition of LinkNet, which is a fixed broadband business. Now, some headline statistics, household penetration is only 13.4%. Even by 2026, the estimates is that number will go to only 26%, and that is still a relatively low penetration. So what we're trying to do is pivot away from the traditional mobile business and bundle together with fixed broadband business, as in a convergence proposition for the population. So we believe this is the right strategy to go into Indonesia. Yes, Indonesia is a big market to operate in, and yes, it will require a significant amount of investment in the coming years. But we are optimistic of the opportunities in Indonesia.
Okay, Izzaddin, real quickly before we let you go, I mean, we talk to CEOs like yourself every day, and we ask this one fundamental question. That is, all these worries about inflation, higher input costs, and pass-through, etc. Do does Axiata feel, do you think you have pricing power right now? Is that being reflected in your margins and also in what you're able to get out of each customer, your ARPU, average revenue per user?
Yeah, well, it's a very good question. Again, this is a reality that all of us are facing. Now, the good news is in this economies that we're operating, it's very unlikely that the governments will raise interest rates. Yes, inflationary pressures are there, but interest rates are key to stimulating the economy, and the economies need to recover from the pandemic. So we think we have a window of opportunity there as well. Insofar as our borrowings are concerned, we're locked in for 67% of our debt. So that shouldn't be any sort of surprises when it comes to our interest costs. And we like to think that we've got the various financial guardrails in place to make sure that we can maintain the yields.